lockdown, COVID, yoga helps, but I can't do yoga. Yoga is too difficult. I can't even bend, yaar. I'm not even a beginner. In fact, I don't know how to do yoga. And online classes are too fast. I cannot grasp my teacher. I'm bored of online classes. All these thoughts surely come into your mind, right? If you don't know yoga or if you're a beginner in yoga. Don't worry, I have a perfect plan for you. Every day, learn 2 asanas with me. You can combine those 2 asanas maybe after your Surya Namaskara practice, or you can do some warm up and then perform these asanas according to your capacity and pace. But best, I will recommend you to follow a few rounds of Surya Namaskaras with these asanas. So get ready to learn 2 asanas with me every day. This is for all levels of practitioners or non-practitioners. Even if you're a beginner or if you're new to yoga, I'll be teaching you just 2 asanas every day. Uttita Trikodasana. It's a triangle pose. So take your feet 4 feet apart. Spread your feet 4 feet apart. Turn the right foot completely to the right side. With inhalation, spread your hands to the shoulder level. Now as you exhale, slowly bend down laterally and try to grab your big toes on the right leg with your right hand, or you can also hold your ankles for a much easier version. Stay in the asana and hold the asana for 5 to 8 deep breaths. Slowly inhale, you'll come up. Exhale, do the same on the other side. Bend as much as possible laterally. Always look up and breathe. So maintaining a drishti is very important. You have to look at your fingertips during the Trikonasana. For the second asana, second one will be Uttita Parshva Konasana. Here you will be spreading your legs again a little wider or 4 to 4.5 feet apart. So this one is which will give you strength, balance and stretches all the muscles in your legs. Okay, we'll again turn the right foot to the right side and bend the right knee. So here you're going to drop your hip as down as you can. So with inhalation, you're going to spread your arms wider. Now exhale, slowly drop the right hand behind your right foot and slowly take your left hand 45 degrees forward. So if you can here, you can stretch a little more by bringing your hip downwards and extending your arms. Hold the asana for 5 to 8 deep breaths. Again, you maintain your drishti by looking at your left hand fingertips. Slowly inhale, come up. Now we are going to do the same asana on the other side. Turning the left foot to the left side. Slowly place your left hand behind the left foot and take your right hand 45 degrees forward. You can hold here or stretch a little more by dropping your hip downwards and extending your arms. Slowly hold the posture. Try and hold equal weight of your body on both your legs and then slowly come back to Samastitihi. See that you breathe deep in all these asanas. So it was Uttita Trikonasana and Uttita Parshva Konasana.